This is raw footage, and this is the same footage after color grading in Filmora 15. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transform flat video into cinematic color in just a few steps. First, import your video into Filmora and drag it to the timeline. Select the clip and open the color panel. Here we can adjust the exposure. I just make it 27. As per requirement you can do brightness, but I will just leave it as it is, and I can make the contrast more, and then you can make the shadow to the 0 minus 100, the minimum shadow, because we remove this shadow, we don't need shadow, and we can make some whiteness. Now you see, so this is after doing some adjustment. And we have the videos like this. You can see the previous video, original video, and after color grading you can see this one. It's a more cinematic and more realistic. So even if you have the bad videos, the color and other things not looking well, you can make it as a very cinematic from this adjustment. You can also do some color changes with the preset. There is already many presets, like you see there are many presets, and this will give you the color of the videos. So if your preference with this preset, you can go with the presets to make your video looking very good. Filmora also includes LUT presets. These are professional color styles used in movies. And this one has also the varieties of color grading. This is normally used in the filmmaking, and here you have many kinds of the presets. You can select anyone and your colors of the video will change as per the presets of this LUT. And this will also help you to make your video very fine and look really cinematic. Anything you like. Here with the videos and the color, you can choose the presets without doing any adjustment or any task like adjusting brightness, color, exposure, shadow, removing shadow. Here already you have in a click your videos color grading changes, and you can get your videos cinematic color. And I can play with you about this one with the LUT preset, and this is the video after preset without doing any adjustment, normal adjustment with this exposure, light, shadows and other things. Here I can show you one by one how it is, the color is changing of the videos. The application of tint and vibrance, saturation. So this is also the manual. You can manually adjust it as per your videos how it looks. So these are the settings. From this setting you can adjust your videos coloring. You have temperature, you have tint, you have vibrance, you have saturation. So with this setting you can adjust manually your videos. For the light, you can adjust the exposure, brightness, contrast and highlight. You can remove the shadows, you can adjust the whiteness. So this is the manual setting. You can do it and it will work for your videos very nice. Another one, there is a AI color palette. If you choose this one, this will give you automatic color changes in your video. You can see it I selected it and how the video is changing. But with this AI color play test, it will give you the output. Maybe that is not your requirements. So what is my suggestion? Just go with the presets of the loot or the color wheel. So the color wheel also will give you the same result. From there you can also adjust. Here's the final result. A simple color grade can completely transform your video.
Stay tuned for the next update.